The sound of insects. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a forest where the sound of beautiful insects echoed at night. The sound is like a fairy tale melody played by nature. The villagers were able to sleep safely every night while being surrounded by the sound. One night, Yuki, a girl who lives on the end of the village, decided to explore the secret of the sound of the insect. She loved the tone of insects since she was young, and she was always fascinated by the fantastic melody. Yuki secretly went to the forest late at night. While the moonlight was shining, she walked along the path and felt the voice of the insects getting louder. When I went deep into the forest, there was a small clear lake. Countless insects gathered around the lake and played a beautiful sound as if they were having a concert. Yuki was fascinated by the scene and listened to it for a while, but eventually she got tired and sat down there. The sound of insects gradually became comfortable, and Yuki was invited to the dream world. In the dream, Yuki became friends with insects and danced and sang to their music. Insects of various colors gathered, and each played its own melody, and the forest was wrapped in colorful lights. When the morning sun was rising, Yuki woke up. When she woke up by the lake, she felt her dream was real. The sound of the insects was still echoing, and she kept the wonderfulness in her heart and returned to the village. Since then, Yuki has been going to the forest every night and enjoying music with insects. And in her heart, the melody of the insects continued to resonate forever, and the villagers were healed by the sound and were able to sleep soundly. Yuki knew that the sound of insects is not just a sound, but has a mysterious power to heal the heart and nurture dreams. Every time the night falls, the sound of insects becomes a wonderful story that invites her and the villagers to sleep, and it echoes quietly today. The end.